Howdy there, fellow Spooky Towners. It's Spooky Town 2020, and I'm about ready to start plugging everything in. But before I do, I know a lot of you ask questions to us members, just how do we power up our towns? Now, for the vast majority of you, you're going to use a lot of these, a lot of power bars, power strips and stuff. Even though that you'll find splitters where you could attach 3 pieces to one thing, you're still possibly going to be using a lot of power bars. For us here at our house, if you are technically savvy or married to a technically savvy person, or even just know a technically savvy person, you can make these power boxes. All right. Now, as you know, there are different power wattages for Department 56 and Limax, and these things actually power up all that. We've got slots here for Limax, slots for Department 56, and then we've got slots for our lights that we use extra cube lights like these to help light up areas of the town that are a little dark. These 3 are all spliced together with these end connectors, and these would just plug right on in like so, and you can then plug more on top of that. Now, according to my husband, the way he made these, I believe each box can handle approximately around 30 pieces. Mixture Department 56, Limax, and our lights here. So we have 3 boxes here. We can power, let's just say a little over 100, just to be on the safe side for power requirements. 100 pieces, 100 different things, okay? So you can do stuff like that. These are our Department 56 ones. This is 6 different Department 56s, all on the same power cord. And again, these would just plug in like so. So that is an idea for you if you don't want to use endless amounts of power bars, and if you've got somebody who knows how to make something like this. I can't make anything like this. This is beyond me. But you might know somebody who can make you something like this. And it does come in handy because each box is then just a single power outlet into your power bar or whatever. So, happy spookings. It's 2020. Have fun. I'm going to plug all my stuff in and have a good time.